The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. Residents near the Rockstar HQ, lock all of your doors immediately. At 2:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, mass riots have been reported near the Rockstar Games HQ in the city of New York City. The rioters are causing civil unrest, heavy theft, damage to property, and injuries. This is likely due to Rockstar Games declaring the potential release of the violent video game, Grand Theft Auto 6, in 2025. All residents of New York are advised to remain indoors. Do not let any strangers inside your home. If a rioter enters your home, use armed protection by all means. This includes deadly force. Do not participate in the riots, you'll be arrested.